what I get in a week of PR? Let's get into it. Okay, I'm going to start off with the smaller packages first. We got a Too Faced Lip Injection Duo. So it's a plumping lip liner and a gloss. Catty lashes. Ooh, hope I didn't break anything. Oh, so I've got some half lashes. I'm actually wearing some of their half lashes right now. These ones are in the style Daily Obsession. Got some full lashes and some individual lashes. Some lash glue and this lash applicator. Oh, this one's kind of big. Let's see what we got. Fenty! So I've got their mascara, Blemish Defeater, 2 Gloss Bomb Heats in the shades Fussy and Glass Slipper, and some mini skincare. Got the cleanser, the toner, and the SPF. Ooh. More Fenty. So we've got a face scrub and a body scrub. Oh, I'm so excited to try both of these. What is this? I see Ardell. Oh yeah. And then we got these 4 lashes. These would look really cool with some creative looks and some eyelash glue. I was a bit too heavy-handed with that one. And a little handwritten note. I love handwritten notes. Got a bunch of eyelashes from Isla. I can't wait to try these. Half lashes and full lashes. Got some individuals and some glue as well. And some brow wax with a little tool. It also came with this brand, which I'm not sure how to pronounce. But it's some micellar water and a multifunctional moisturizer. Okay, we got another big one. It's from Lussie London. How do I open this? Ooh. So we got 2 eyeshadow palettes and 2 shimmer lip glosses. There's the shades of the eyeshadow and the glosses. And then these eye jewels. These would be really cool for like a carnival or festival. Okay, the next batch. Oh, Revolution. A box inside a box. Oh, feels heavy. That's a good sign. Also, it's a bunch of mousse blush and eyeshadows. Bunch of different shades. Ow. Oh my goodness. Look at all of that. Oh, there is so much stuff in here. Some cream eyeshadows. Their famous Power Grip Primer. Cleansing balm. A lip balm and a lip scrub. Concealer. Camo concealer. Eyeshadow sticks. Some more lip balm. Mascara and a lip exfoliant. Satin lipstick and a glossy lip stain. Lip lacquer and halo glow. And putty eye color corrector. Blush and bronzer. Cream eyeshadow and an eyeshadow palette. Satin lipstick and a glossy lip stain. Benefit. I can't even get it out. Okay. It's mascara. This is the only mascara I've ever tried from Benefit. The Bad Gal Bang. Oh, let's move on to the smaller boxes. For you. Oh, some beauty tools with another handwritten note. Got some nail scissors, brow brushes, and some makeup sponges. It's Rare Beauty. Oh my gosh, guys, I haven't tried any Rare Beauty products yet. Got a Silky Touch highlight. It looks like one of those things. What are they called? Is it Macaron? Macaroon? Someone let me know in the comments if you know what I mean. I'm excited for this. It's the liquid blush. I got the shade Happy. I'm really excited to try this one. A little compact mirror. How cute. Ta-da! And a highlighter brush. Oh. Ooh, Ciate! Brazilian Glow. Ooh. 2 bronzing powders and an eyeshadow palette. Here's the bronzers. We got South Beach and Aruba Island. I don't think they're my shades, but they do look really pretty. Let's see the eyeshadow palette. A lot of shimmers, but it is really pretty. Be perfect. Ooh, I'm excited. So we've got some of their new half lashes and some eyelash glue. These ones look really nice and natural. I guess half lashes are pretty popular these days. Zoeva. Handwritten note. We love it. Oh, I love the color of this makeup bag. So I got 2 matte bronzing powders and a multi-powder brush. Here's the brush. Looks fancy. Oh, very soft. We've got some Beauty Bay. Ooh, high key. What is this? Oh, it's mascara. It's a hydrating mist and a cleansing gel. Milk makeup. Some hero products from Milk. All those goodies. Yes, oh my gosh, I've been wanting to try this. It's their matte setting spray. So I've tried their Hydro Grip setting spray and I do like it, but I have oily skin, so I've been wanting to try the matte one ever since they brought it out. So I got 2 setting sprays, primer, brow and lash serum, mascara, 2 contour, 2 blushes, and a highlight. What is this? Anastasia. Ooh, I like that brush. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is huge and heavy. Here's how it looks. Let's try and open it up. Okay. Oh, here we go. And oh, liquid lipsticks. So it says matte meets moisture liquid lipsticks. Here's the shades. Let's try one. My lips are feeling kind of dry. Oh, these feel really nice and smooth. I wasn't expecting that. They smell quite nice too. I'm impressed. Ta-da! I see The Ordinary. Okay, so I've got a bunch of skincare and I'm not complaining. And that's everything. This is not an ad. These were gifted to me, but thank you to all the brands that sent me these products. I'm so grateful. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.